Hello, welcome back, artistic adventurers. Today, join me, Rosie, as we embark on a delightful journey to learn how to grow a cup of tea. Grab your favorite pencil and paper and let's dive in. To begin, sketch a pencil. Simple oval shape for the body of the cup. It's a tongue twister. Keep it light and loose. We are just laying down the foundation. Next, add a slightly curved line on top for the rim of the cup. Imagine where the tea will fill up and give it a gentle slope. Now, let's define the handle with a gentle curve. Extend a small loop from the side of the cup. This will be where our fingers comfortably rest. Don't worry about perfection, it's the imperfections that give our drawings character. Once you are satisfied with the basic shape, refine the lines with more defined strokes. Add any extra details like a saucer or delicate patterns to make your cup unique. And to begin, let's sketch a simple oval shape for the body of the cup. Keep your lines light and fluid, allowing your imagination to guide your hand. Now imagine where the tree will fill up and add a slightly curved lines on top for the rim of the cup. Let it flow naturally, like the gentle pour of your favorite brew. Next, let's define the handle with a graceful curve. Extend a small loop from the side of the cup. This will be where our fingers find comfort as we savor the warmth of our tea. Remember, it's the imperfections that give our drawings character, so don't worry about achieving perfection. Embrace the journey of creation. Add any extra details like a sauce or delicate patterns to make your cup unique. As I already told you, and there you have it, charming cup faulty, ready to be filled with your imagination. Whether it's a cozy morning brew or a relaxing evening blend, let your creativity steep and flourish. Join me next time for more artistic adventures. Until then, next time, keep creating and let your creativity flow freely. This is Rosie signing off. Happy drawing. Thank you very much.